So anyway, we were able to establish a relationship, and we wanted to convey to her, my mother and I, that we were praying for Dennis, and to please let him know that if it's possible in his mental state. And so I check in with her from time to time when I go up to Connecticut. And it's been a very important part of the healing process for me, to be able to connect with Dennis's family in that way. I also met Dennis's brother, and we were able to share the Lord's Prayer together during the Eucharist. And again, it was a very powerful experience. So I want to close by just saying that this movement is so inspiring for me. It's part of the creation of what Dr. King called the beloved community. That we're trying to create a culture of healing, a culture that stands for life and resistance to all the forces of death. And Dr. King said, capital punishment is society's final assertion that it will not forgive. Capital punishment is society's final assertion that it will not forgive. And we have to learn the way of forgiveness and reconciliation if there will be true healing for everybody involved in these terrible acts of violence that occur every day. We are all potential victims of violence every day of our life. And we live in this world of violence. What's the way out? The way out is love and compassion, forgiveness, reconciliation. That's the way, I believe. And standing before this court, I was thinking, I didn't mention this at the rally, but I was thinking, maybe there ought to be a few other statements up here. William Penn said, "Always put justice above the law." What do you think? Always put justice above the law. Okay? That could be a statement that could be put up there. And then St. Paul says, and this is you need to reflect on this a little bit. Love is the fulfillment of the law. Love is the fulfillment of the law. In other words, all law should be based on love. Not on vengeance, not on retribution, not on retaliation, but love. And then another one would be, whenever human law conflicts with divine law.
I mean, yeah. He's clearly not part of these extra.
And what the Democrats did reply was that threatened to remove all his votes.